I actually got sidetracked. This actually took a while. I was actually looking up stuff like most powerful shotguns in games and stuff. And then Resident Evil Revelations 2, which now I want to play. Wait, what? Yeah, let's see. This lets me kick reinforced and sturdy doors. So that's why I'm going to pick it. Alright, I automatically pick things up. Hey! That does not look like Daniel. Because that is the face of a marshal. You know. What? Finally? Really? That wasn't even worth it. Ooh, Radway. Hey, no swearing on my Fallout Equestria remains Christian server. Wait, I'm agnostic. Never mind, go ahead. Several people are typing. Ha! Joke's on you. No, please don't be locked. Oh, thank God. Celestia answered. Give me your gun. Hold on. Did I? Hold on. Okay, I thought the maybe this will give me the leverage I need. What? Crap. I need something else. Wait a minute. I just remembered. Oh, wait. Crap. Let's see. Okay, available perks. I can't get any right now, so I'll just go for skills. 10, telekinesis. Yeah, I could use some telekinesis. I don't usually use this one. It's usually just the telekinesis one. You know what? Why not? Wait to fill up. Okay. Oh, cool. I can sell this later. I forgot. Why does that remind me of Ryul? That reminds me so much of Ryul. What? What? Whoa. I'm sorry, what? No way. Oh, by the way, I just realized 20 counts actually supposed to be 20 gauge because it's. I don't think it's a caliber. I think it's a gauge. One for my baby. Wait, oh crap. Quest added. One for my baby. Except this would be more accurate if it were painted because the shotguns in it have seemingly unlimited range. Especially the shotgun you get from the especially the shotgun you get from the Good Simulator DLC thing. Which I like the shotgun from. I don't play the mission though. Because I don't like Good Simulator. It's fine watching other people play it, but it's not fun when you play it. It's funny though. Anyway, in about 30 seconds, I'm gonna have to end the video. So just a heads up. Yeah, 30 seconds left of this video. Come on, you're a unicorn. You can't just speed up the reload. Which